everyone, my name is Astrid Filzah Nabila Rosma and I'm a master student in non-regular management at Universitas Negeri Jakarta. I'm here today to give a review of the secretary profession as part of my final exam assignment for the operations management course. In this video, I will discuss the role of secretary in a company, the theoretical perspective on the role of secretary, the personal responsibility of a secretary to a company, and the skills needed to be a secretary. And I will also share my own personal insight on secretary profession. I hope that this video will be informative and helpful to anyone who is interested in learning more about the secretary profession. So, a secretary is a professional who provides administrative, clerical, and supportive services to an individual or organization. Secretaries are responsible for a variety of tasks, including answering and directing phone calls, scheduling appointments, preparing and distributing documents, handling correspondence, organizing and maintaining files, and providing administrative support to executive. The role of secretary in a company is to provide essential administrative support to the company's employees and executive. Secretaries play a vital role in the smooth running of a company, and they are responsible for wide range of tasks can free up executive to focus on their core responsibilities. There are a number of theoretical perspectives that can be used to understand the role of a secretary in a company. One perspective is that secretaries are simply administrative assistants who perform routine tasks. Another perspective is that secretaries are professionals who play a strategic role in the company. The administrative assistant perspective views secretaries as simply clerical workers who perform tasks such as answering the phone, scheduling appointments, and preparing documents. This perspective is often reflected in the job description for secretaries, which typically lists tasks such as this. The strategic perspective views secretaries as professionals who play a more strategic role in the company. This perspective is based on the idea that secretaries are not just responsible for routine tasks but also to providing support to executive in a variety of ways. For example, secretaries can help executive to manage their time, develop their skills, and build relationship with clients and colleagues. Secretaries have a personal responsibility to their company to perform their duties in a professional and ethical manner. This includes being reliable, organized, and efficient. Secretaries should also be discreet and respectful of confidential information. In addition to their professional responsibilities, secretaries also have a personal responsibility to their company to be supportive and helpful. Secretaries should be willing to go to extra mile to help their colleagues and executives succeed. The authorization power of secretaries depends heavily on the context and specific role within an organization. So here's a breakdown of different scenarios. First is executive secretaries. Generally, executive secretaries don't have direct authorization power. They act as gatekeepers and facilitators, preparing documents for approval and signature by their executives. For routine matters, they might have pre-approved authorization for specific tasks like scheduling meetings, booking travel, and handling petty cash within defined limits. Their influence on decision and approvals can be significant through their role in managing information flow, preparing presentation, and advising their executives. Number two is corporate secretaries. In some companies, corporate secretaries hold legal authority to sign specific documents, issue official notice, and manage company sales. They play a crucial role in ensuring compliance with board regulation and governance procedure, including authorizing the issuance of shares holding or shareholder meetings. Policy and procedure authorization, they may have the authority to approve or implement internal policies and procedures related to areas like record keeping, document management, and risk mitigation. Number 3 is administrative and departmental secretaries. Similar to executive secretaries, their authorization power is often limited to routine tasks within their department or specific project. They might be delegate authorization for specific tasks by their superiors, such as approving purchase orders or processing expense report within defined limits. They may have the authority to grant access to certain information or resource within their department or manage calendar and schedules for their superiors. Overall, the authorization power of secretaries varies depending on their specific role, seniority, and company structure. It's important to remember that they generally act as facilitator and advisor, not independent decision maker. My opinion on secretaries is quite complex and nuanced, as their role can vary greatly depending on the organization, industry, and even individual. However, I can offer some general thoughts. Secretaries are often the unsung heroes of any organization, keeping things running smoothly and efficiently. They handle a multitude of tasks, from scheduling meetings and managing calendars to handling correspondence and preparing documents. Their organizational skills and attention to detail are invaluable. Secretaries often have a deep understanding of their organization and its key players. They act as gatekeepers of information, directing inquiries to the appropriate individuals and ensuring that confidential information is protected. Secretaries play a vital role in building and maintaining relationship within an organization. They interact with people at all levels, from executives to entry-level employees. And their friendly and professional demeanor can help to create a positive work environment. The secretarial profession can be a great stepping stone to other roles within an organization. Secretaries often develop a wide range of skills and knowledge that can be transferable to other positions. So what the challenges and potential downsides? The secretarial profession is often undervalued and underpaid. This can be frustrating for secretaries who are highly skilled and experienced. Secretaries are often stereotyped as being subservient or lacking in ambition. This stereotype can be harmful and inaccurate. Secretaries can be under a lot of pressure to meet deadlines and manage multiple tasks at once. This can lead to stress and burnout. Depending on the organization, there may be limited opportunities for career progression for secretaries. Overall, I believe that secretaries are valuable and essential members of any organization. They play a vital role in supporting the success of individuals and teams. It's important to remember that every secretary is an individual with their own unique skills and experience. My opinion is just a general overview, and it's important to avoid making generalization about the entire profession. Thank you.